So this video is just going to be talking about the quiz component that's been built in the system. So you can see I changed the navigation where it used to say pages and navigation, and now it just says pages and nav to shorten it. So next to that there's a quiz option. If you tap on that, then that'll bring up the quizzes index page. Right now I have a test quiz in here, but you can create a new quiz if you want. I'd give it a title, description, make it active. Or you can edit an existing one. If you go in here, you got your title, description, and then you can put in your success text, your fail text, total amount of winners that will be allowed, and then whatever the ID of the correct answer is, and I'll show you how that works. So down here you have the ability to add options for the quiz. So let's say test 1 is an option, test 2 is an option, test 3, if I can type, is an option. And then just hit submit. Now you'll see that I have these 3 options, and it gives me the ID of those. So if ID 1 or this one is option 1 is the correct answer, then I just under correct answer ID I just put 26 there, and so that now when a user on the front end hits it, 26 will be the correct answer. So in this area, basically, right now on the TV homepage, I added the quiz module. Which I think has been removed. But basically, if I go down here and find the quiz, so Rotana quiz. So if I add Rotana quiz here, I'll just place it right there, save my changes. There's not really any parameters to set in the quiz, so don't worry about it, because by default it's just going to pull whatever quiz is set to active. So now if I go to the front end, go to rotana.net. And then if I go English and go to the TV section, and then let me disable the, let's see, no cache equals 1. And then come down the page here, you'll see the quiz module. So test quiz, this is a test quiz, and then I have my 3 different answers. So here if I hit this one, sorry, incorrect answer. If I refresh the page, and I know the second one is number 26. It says congratulations, success. I put in my name, I put in my email address, and hit submit. And then thank you for submission, congratulations, and that writes it to the database. I'll be building functionality on the back end to list out the winners. That'll be done shortly. But basically that's the functionality. There is a question I have in regard to it's writing their IP address when they submit. I'm not going to go solely off of a cookie because that can be deleted, or if they're in incognito mode, it doesn't retain those cookies. So really the IP address is going to be my unique identifier for that. So that being said, I just want to ensure that that works for you. So when the quiz loads, it will go and look at all the IP addresses and compare them to that user, and then compare the date to see if it's been 24 hours since they entered last. And then by default, when the page is reloaded, it'll say, sorry, you've already entered, and it won't give them the option to enter right here. I just want to verify that. If that's the way you want the functionality to work, I'm not sure, so that's why I haven't built that yet. But it's a quick build. So anyhow, that's basically the functionality for the quiz. If there's any questions or suggested changes or whatever, let me know. But you can have unlimited questions, unlimited quizzes, and just whatever is set to active will pull onto the page. So that is it. Thank you.
No, thank you. The tickets look good, by the way.
Do they?